The Almighty God will grant your request. Physically, you will prosper. Materially, you will prosper. Maritally, you will prosper. In your career, you will prosper. Spiritually, you will prosper. You will prosper so much, the world will hear about your family. And your harvest will begin to come rapidly. Every other thing you want from God to make you joyful, He will give unto you. So shall it be. And you too, you will serve God. In Jesus' mighty name we have prayed.